Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's February 24th, 2025. I'm heading out to the solar panel array, trying to prevent another collapse. So the other day I dug out Elon, the excavator, the Takushi TB290 excavator, and was able to pull the avalanche out, dig that out as well, so I didn't have to worry about the snow coming off of the sugar shack and doing more damage to the truck. And then yesterday I came out here and used Elon to try and do as best as I could, digging out around the southern solar panel array. Pretty challenging doing this, but I was able to get the southern solar panel array cleaned out yesterday, so I'm coming out here and see if I can get the northern one. Now I have much less room to work with, and it's going to take some time. The forecast for today is it's supposed to get up to like 44 degrees Fahrenheit. So I really want to get these, the area where the snow slides off of the solar panels, need to get that area cleaned out, because the snow will have no place to go, and there's so much weight on the solar panels. I cleaned them off not before the most recent big storm, where we got over 30 inches and all. So here we are out here right now. This is a southern set of solar panels down here. Got to be careful where I'm walking here, because it is pretty slick. But with these solar panels now, there's a space for it. When it shoots off, it has a place to go. And there's a lot of weight on these. And looks like everything's holding up so far. But there's that little bit of separation there, so hopefully when it warms up it'll just shoot right off and it'll work out well. Whereas the way it was like this one here yesterday, and this is 3 foot of solid packed snow in here, and about 5 foot of solid packed snow here, because I had been cleaning off the solar panel array and pulling it back to about to here. So the Hulk would do a much better job of being able to come in, grab big scoops, move it, and dump it. Where the front blade on Elon, I don't know, it's like maybe 15-16 inches tall. I'm not really sure just how tall it is, but much shorter than this. And I got to be careful, because I've got the solar panels, they stick out beyond. Sorry, there, I almost fell down. You can see they stick out beyond here, so I got to be real careful in my cab I don't bang into this. I can't swing my bucket either way like I could over here yesterday. So we'll be working at this, and hopefully no damage occurs and I can get some of more of this snow out of here, because when it warms up, snow moves. I'm really hoping that the insurance claims adjuster contacts me soon, so I can get to work over there with the demoing the destruction over there at the workshop. So I'm going to get started, folks, and we'll see how things go. Bye bye now.
Just yesterday, I was just a kid, running wild, laughing like I never did, climbing trees, chasing dreams, thought I had forever, or so it seemed. Now the mirror shows a different face, a little more warm, a little less grace. Time moves fast, like a river it flows. Where it all went, Lord only knows. So I'm gonna make the best of today, live like the sun won't fade away. Should I take my chances or just forget? So I won't waste a single breath. No holding back, no second guess. Gonna dance in the rain, sing in the storm, hold my loved ones a little more warm. So I'm gonna make the best of today, live like the sun won't fade away, love a little harder, laugh a little more, walk through every open door. 'Cause yesterday's gone, tomorrow's unknown, but right here, right now, I'm in the zone. One day I'll sit in a chair by the fire, look back at my life, never tired, knowing I lived, knowing I tried, no regrets when I close my eyes. Oh, 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 oh. You might think when winter comes, it's time to rest and stay inside. Kick back, keep warm, and watch the world turn white outside. But out here in snow country, that just ain't the way. There's work to do no matter what, each and every day. We got snow to blow, ice to break, solar panels buried, gotta clear the way. No time to slow, no time to play. Winter's work ain't done, no, not today. Rack-mounted panels covered in snow. If we don't clear them, they got nowhere to go. Elon the excavator's fired up and strong, digging out the trenches so the power stays on. We got snow to blow, ice to break, solar panels buried, gotta clear the way. No time to slow, no time to play. Winter's work ain't done, no, not today. So we're backing off, I keep pushing through. Frost on my beard, boots caked in blue. But when the sun shines down on a clear blue sky, I know it's worth it every time. So when you think of a winter as a time to rest, just know out here we're giving it our best. Snow country's tough, but we're tougher still, and we'll keep on working till spring breaks the chill. We got snow to blow, ice to break, solar panels buried, gotta clear the way. No time to slow, no time to play. Winter's work ain't done, no, not today. Sometimes things fall down, come crashing to the ground, leaves you standing in the wreckage, lost and looking round. It hits you like a hammer, knocks the wind right out. But I ain't staying down, I'm pushing past the doubt. I'm not down and out, I'm still standing tall. Gonna shake off the dust, gonna rebuild it all. When the shock wears off and the sun breaks through, I see the bright side. Yeah, I know what to do. The roof gave in, the walls came down. Steel and wood scattered all around. But I see a new beginning, I see a bigger plan. Gonna roll up my sleeves, put the tools back in my hands. I'm not down and out, I'm still standing tall. Gonna shake off the dust, gonna rebuild it all. When the shock wears off and the sun breaks through, I see the bright side. Yeah, I know what to do. It's all about the way we rise, not how many times we fall. You can cry or you can climb, I choose to stand up tall. Gonna build it back, bigger, better, strong, with a roof that holds where it all belongs. This ain't the end, it's a brand new start, turning broken dreams into a work of art. I'm not down and out, I'm stronger than before. Gonna raise those walls, gonna build some more. When the storm rolls in, I won't break, I won't bend. I'll rise again, yeah, I'll rise again.
Well, I did pretty well. I was working on this side, and some of the snow started shooting off of the southern rack system there. But I was trying my damnedest to get as much of this out of here as possible, and I got it all out. That's just stuff that was left at the edge there, and the stuff that came off the solar panels. So the rack system is good. Some of the lower panels have slipped down ½ to 1.5 inches down some. They just have to be snugged back up and tightened up. But yeah, get this all cleared out to a point and then it fills right back in again. Then I just drove over it to try and scoop some more of the material out so I could get the remainder that was hanging up on the panels off. And I'm a bit out of breath right now. And I got this one off as well. And again, I came back through and ended up driving over a lot of the stuff that was on top of here. But we made some progress. The solar array looks to be in good shape. A lot of work. Thank God for Elon. Man, that really made the difference. Now the Hulk, which is a Takushi TL12 V2 track loader, similar to the brother of Elon here. Now that could have made a little bit quicker work out of it, because I got behind and there was some shot down up here, but I hadn't got all of the base out, so I worked on that bit by bit. So, mission accomplished. I'm pretty pooped right now. Got to take a break and see what else I can get done today. So, solar panels have been saved. 2-day project trying to remove all the snow so that we didn't damage any of the solar panels. So, real happy about that. And hopefully we don't get much more snow. It's going to be warm today, going to get up to 44 degrees Fahrenheit. And I think we got a couple more days of in the 30s. Then we're going to go back down to freezing, below, freezing again, below, into the teens, I guess. So we shall see. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Love your comments and your questions. I hope you folks have a safe day and take care. Bye-bye now.